Alright, go back to the beginning. Alright, so this is sound. I'm watching both the sounds, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go ahead. So you're blending the diegetic and non-diegetic, which is good.
Let's just put on a film now.
It's got to be quicker at the tempo though, with him burning. And we've suddenly lost a lot of the diegetic sound that we had at the beginning. We had diegetic sound there, and it was blended very nicely with the non-diegetic sound. The tempo is still too slow. And I think what also is hurting it is that we don't have any of the diegetic sound. No. The one good thing about that ending is that you kind of you've noticed that you have to kind of stop the music because you have a shift to kind of the tempo where he's kind of regaining his sight, he's getting his sights on him. But the rest of it, I don't like the kind of salsa type of with it. I don't know whose track it is, but I'm just telling you that's what I don't like. Alright, so it's like a 70s, it sounds like a 70s type of. It doesn't work with us either. There's a part of this song I like, it's in the background. That's the only part I really like of the song. It's still too slow though.
It gets a lot better.
Would you actually make this song with this track in front of you? Both of you. Did you make this song on GarageBand with this track in front of you? And that you still need to get rid of Cameron smiling in that next track.
What? Is it?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, I thought I deleted. No.
I must have got it.
I notice everything.
No, I think Cameron's using an old cut. I know my other one, Cameron's one.
But when you made this, did you have this with you?
I didn't.
You what?
He had it. I used it. We did it a different way.
Okay, I think what you should do is take this as a long. The positives of this experience is that you've learned how to use GarageBand to some extent.
Do you not think this bit's better?
Yeah, it's better. Let's see what you do with the beat here.
And then it'll go bang.
So, what I kind of learned from from you guys doing this is that basically you've become somewhat competent in how to use GarageBand. But I don't think what you've done is watch this at the same time of playing some of those songs, some of those tracks.
Do you want me in the same one?
I get the sense that you haven't.
I
think you've had in your mind that we need to have a fast beat.
Why are you going now?
And you've started making it. And then what you've done is then you've looked at it.
Yeah, bags away.
I think it'd be a good idea to play the track, like play the video, and then have tracks. Just put them on top of it and just see what you hear. So have GarageBand open at the same time that you actually have the video. That's what we did.
We did.
That's fine.
It's a lot. It's hard.
Yeah, I think you need to come back. I think you still need to do some more of it.
I think maybe we should just work together and make one track.
Yeah, maybe. See what people say. Maybe based on the feedback that you get from people, you might want to do a focus group of this and say, is there anything about each of these tracks that's good? And see what they say. Is there any kind of notes or any parts or do you see what I'm saying? And then use that as a springboard and usually work together on it. Okay? Or do that and then leave it for a little bit and then go to titles and then come to sound after. Does that make sense? Yeah. Alright, I'll put this up.